Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to extend an appointment. If the practitioner decides to do a procedure on the patient, or if the patient needs extra additional time, the user may extend the appointment by 15 or 30 minutes. For example, depending on the extra amount of time needed. If the user wishes to extend an appointment, the user may change the duration of the appointment on the booking screen. Let us go over how to extend an appointment. Double-click on the appointment that the user wishes to extend. The Add Edit Booking Details screen will open. Click on the drop-down menu on the duration field. Select the end time for the appointment that the user is extending. Please note, after the duration was changed, the system will warn the user that the duration exceeds the default duration for that specific booking type. Click on the Save to save the changes made to the appointment. The appointment will now be extended over the specific time that the practitioner booked it for.